All right, this is an update for JPM. JPM has become a bearish setup now. Um, Very well time frame aligned, but still confirmation is key. This is a bullish chop market, and I can see that there are going to be some stocks that will want to go lower, and some that will buck the trend. Still with this JPM, we want confirmation, but there are so many negatives to this chart now that let's talk about a facts is that the stock lately, when they had that reversal, we have not had any power even though the market was strong, okay? And as soon as the market was negative, we drop and reverse. So now it's a matter of, how much can they pull us up? Because 86 becomes a resistance, and can they, can we confirm? So let's talk about this. So JPM is set up to test 80 to 78. The June 16, 82.5 puts could be used. So these are the sweet spot puts, safe to use, high probable wins. Again, on confirmation. Because if this is the one to confirm, you don't want to bother with it. But in case it wants to confirm in this chop market, this is a good plan here. So JPM needs to break below 83.60 ounces of good action volume. And good action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. I will explain some extra key facts not inside these boxes. So if we don't get the volume, as we're breaking 83.60, look for basing below 83.5. Look for power towards 83.25. At the same time, you want to be trading below the pivot. So for example, if they happen to open at 84, for example, but it's traveling up, or they happen to, or they happen to open at 83.75, okay, which is close to this, but they happen to travel upwards, but yet it looks like it's down, right? You want to be below the opening of the opening pivot. So for example, if the opening is 83.75, we want trading below that. If the volume isn't there, same thing. So you want to be below the pivot of the open. If the volume isn't there, then basing below 83.5 and look for power towards 83.25 to even 83. This stock really favors a test of the 200-day moving averages. Lots of gaps to be filled. So this 80 to 78 is very high probability that they want to do this. Earnings are far away for this, and for them to pull it back and then maybe they raise it up another time is possible. Volume pattern wise, time frame alignment wise, does favor a lower prices or to test the 200-day moving average. It has an alignment that it's never had in a long time. However, it doesn't matter, people. Confirmation is key. Confirmation is key. All right. JPM closed at 84.27, down 334 today. A very negative day. However, it's still at a key pivot point. But it could really be a nice winning option trade during this market chop. These June 16, I've talked about it before, but JPM could not confirm, and now it's really looking bad. But confirmation will be key. So let's take a look at these 82.5 puts. You can see there was some good trading happening here. The 87.5 puts, lots of trading here. Not a lot of trading, but a lot of open interest. 85 puts, okay, and then you got the 82s, and the spreads are tight. This thing about these options is they have a lot of time, and they have tight spreads. A good possibilities make 150, 200, 100 to 200% gains is possible using the 82.5 puts, but confirmation is key. Confirmation is key. Alright, people, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. See the center Power Target Trade appears here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. People, I make a lot of great plans, but confirmation is key. There are hiccups that happen in the market, but if we catch the strong confirmations, especially during key pivot times, with the market falling a lot now, it creates a lot of opportunities to both directions, because of you can see the way the chart says we were going up. The SPY was very tightly wound going up, and a lot of individual stocks were moving up or down. So let's wait for, like I said, we wait for confirmation on the strong setups. When the setups occur or when I see certain things, the next step is confirmation is key. This is a great place to study a lot of videos. Getting updates, it's very uncluttered. You can see the updates. It tells you what when they were up, when they were posted. You can easily scroll through stuff, people. All right. So, anyways, see the Standard Power Trigger Trade. Don't forget to subscribe. It's going to appear at the end of the video at a circle format. Thanks for listening. Like the video.